So let's have a look at Nessus. Developed by Tenable Network Security, is one of the most popular and capable vulnerability scanners. Nessus Professional is a commercial product. In addition, a free Nessus Home version is also available, though it's limited and only licensed for home network use. Nessus allows scans for the following types of vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities that allow a remote hacker to control or access sensitive data on a system. Misconfiguration, for example, open mail relay, missing patches, etc. Default passwords, a few common passwords, and blank or absent passwords on some system accounts. Nessus can also call Hydra, an external tool, to launch a dictionary attack. Denials of service against the TCP/IP stack by using malformed packets, and preparation for PCI DSS audits. Now, in a typical operation, Nessus begins by doing a port scan to determine which ports are open on the target, and then tries various exploits on the open ports. The vulnerability tests, available as subscriptions, are written in NASL, Nessus Attack Scripting Language, a scripting language optimized for custom network interaction. Nessus is constantly updated, with more than 70,000 plugins. Key features include remote and local authenticated security checks, a client-server architecture with a web-based interface, and an embedded scripting language for writing your own plugins or understanding the existing ones. Optionally, the results of the scan can be reported in various formats, such as plain text, XML, HTML, and LaTeX.